Alright, so today we're going to learn how to get a photo off the internet, bring it into Photoshop, and delete the background color from it so we can add it to an InDesign document to look like the graphic is meant to be there. So what we're going to first do is go to our internet browser, and we are going to search for a graphic. So I'm going to go ahead and do a Google search. I'm going to type in basketball. Once I've done that, I need to go to images, and just like before, we need to go ahead and we need to go to our search tools. Inside of the search tools, we need to change our search size to large so we know we're working with a picture that has a large enough image quality so it won't look pixelated when we go ahead and print it. I think what we're going to go ahead and do is grab this first basketball here, click on it, and we want to then go click on View Original. Here's our basketball. Now we need to get this from the internet to Photoshop. Unlike working with InDesign, what we're going to do is we're going to go right click on it, we're going to go Save Image As. We're going to put it into the correct folder. We're going to go choose our iDrive and put it into there. I'm going to work with my desktop today, but that's where you put it. So I've saved it. We can go back to Photoshop. I'm going to go File, Open. Go find the photo wherever you saved it. Click OK or Open. Here's our image. So now we've got this white background here. If we were to place this into an InDesign document the way it is and it had a colored background, you wouldn't be able to see just the outline of the basketball. You'd also see the outline of the white, which is not what we want. So what we need to do is remove the white. So this is pretty easy. It's not very complicated. First thing we need to do is take a look at our layers panel. In our layers panel, we can see that the background is currently locked. So what you need to do is unlock the background layer. To do that, we're going to click on it, double click, click OK, and what we have essentially done is renamed it. So let me do that again. I'll undo it. We're going to double click on it. By double clicking, it allows us to rename it. Why don't we give it a correct name of basketball? Go ahead and click OK. After we've done that, it's no longer locked, so we can go ahead and start affecting this layer. I'm going to come over to my toolbox, and I want to find my, there's a couple of different ways we can do this. You can either use the Magic Eraser tool, so that works by clicking, and what I've done is I clicked in the white. It works by selecting light colors. I can go ahead and then push the delete key, and now you can see the checkerboard. When you can see the checkerboard pattern, that means that you've successfully deleted the background, and when you see it, it means it's transparent. So whatever's behind it will show through. That's one way of doing it. The other way of doing it is using your eraser tool, and you see you've got your Magic Eraser and you've got your background eraser tool. Either one will work. If I click on the background eraser, you can see how it's slowly starting to take pieces away. Not the most effective tool. Magic Eraser tool, boom, I clicked on it once and now it's all gone. It eliminated that delete key. It also kind of works like the Magic Wand, where it selects light colors. So that's real basic background deletion. Now what we need to do is save this the correct way. We just can't take this and take the JPEG and put it into InDesign. It doesn't work that way. JPEG doesn't save transparencies. So what we need to do is go File, Save As, and we need to save it as a Photoshop document or a .psd. Just make sure that the file name looks correct at the end. If you've done that, you can save it. This is going to pop up formatting options. You just go ahead and click OK. Now you've successfully saved your photo, and just all you need to do now is go to InDesign, go File, Place, choose the Photoshop version, and it'll place in there with a transparent background. That is how you get rid of a background.